Welcome to Bamfordrose and another question of the week. This week it's about a Q car, Q V12 Vantage S, which we're sat in at the moment, and this one is rather nice. It's got some really nice carbon interior trim, lovely colour art going on the seats. This is a really nice car, really nice place to be in. This question of the week is about noise limits, and this particular car has had Aston's power pack kit fitted to it. So this is the titanium exhaust system, so this is a secondary catalyst delete and a high flow back box, some inlet manifolds which allegedly give the engine, what is it, 595, 600 bhp there or thereabouts. The exhaust note is really nice. It's got a deep bass baritone crackle to it, and it's loud with the secondary catalyst delete and the titanium silencer. So loud in fact that it's not going to pass any Trackday noise regs. Most Trackdays in this country now, even a higher noise limit day, whereas before there were plenty of no noise limit days. Now there are very few, and they've been replaced with something like 105 decibel. This car is way more than 105 decibel from the factory. These are all factory upgrades. How that's possible with noise drive-by regulation, I don't know, which is what's supposed to be 78 decibel. But anyway, the kit of parts got this particular customer thrown off of Goodwood. That's one of the most sensitive noise tracks in the UK, and he went back to Aston for a solution, but they couldn't offer him one. Which, come on guys, you've sold a car which is track inspired, race inspired. You've performance upgraded the kit, so you've offered your kit to performance upgrade the car. So now when the owner wants to take it on track and use it, you basically have no solution to enable that car to pass any noise restrictions. Leaves the customers coming to us. What we've done is we've tapped into the vehicle's electronics and put a three-way switch in, which the car can operate in sport mode, non-sport mode, as it always used to. So it gets the throttle progression, differentiation between each mode, and now over the top of that, in each particular mode, the three-way switch can either give permanent loud, permanent silent, or switching as it used to. And it's the permanent silent that will enable the car to get through probably even a 95 decibel Trackday now. So if you start it up, have a quick listen. Okay, so this is full loud mode, and if we flick the switch, we go into quiet mode. It's lost all its bark. It's going to take a few bhp off, but obviously the bypass valves are closed. It's going to introduce the back pressure with that noise restriction, but the loss of a few bhp is a obvious compromise, and it has to be made to do the track day. So there it is. The three-way switch is nothing new. We have offered that for Gen 1 Gaydon cars for years. It's just this is new because it's the application of that switch to a Bosch engine management system car, and at Bamfordrose we're normally about making more power. Byproduct of that is making more noise, so it's pretty much the first time around that we've had to make less noise. As always, it really helps us if you can like, subscribe, comment below, and turn the bell notifications on so you never miss a Bamfordrose update.